Why do we hiccup? It all starts with a muscle inside your body called the diaphragm. It's the boss of your breathing. When you breathe normally, your diaphragm moves up and down smoothly. But sometimes, it gets irritated. Maybe you ate too fast, laughed too hard, or drank something fizzy. When that happens, it jerks suddenly, sucking in air too quickly. This makes your vocal cords slam shut, creating that funny hic sound. Hiccups usually stop on their own, but some people try holding their breath, drinking water, or even getting scared to reset the diaphragm. So, next time you hic, blame your jumpy diaphragm. Got a question? Comment below and we might answer it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool science facts.